A duo of robust engines and the allure of a 10-speed automatic are assets for the 2018 GMC Yukon. However, there's no disguising this big SUV's heft on the road, so we wind up with a 6 out of 10 for its performance. Read more about how we rate cars. Most 2018 Yukon SLE and SLT trim levels included a 5.3-liter V8 engine rated at 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed automatic transmission sends power either to the rear wheels or, optionally, all four. The Yukon's standard V8 is characterized by a refined, muffled demeanor. Yukon Denalis substitute a 10-speed automatic and a 6.2-liter V8 rated at 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-ft to save fuel. Both engines can transparently run on 4 cylinders in light load situations. Only a small notation on the instrument cluster indicates when this is happening. There's ample power with either engine for most needs, even with a trailer attached. Interestingly, the highest rated Yukon for towing is the rear-wheel drive, standard wheelbase model at 8,500 pounds. The more powerful Yukon Denali checks in a few hundred pounds less. On Latin, the Denali is remarkably fast for a vehicle that tips the scales at around 5,500 pounds. However, that weight makes itself known on a curvy road. Remember that this is an SUV, and you'll find the Yukon lineup to be well balanced with accurate, direct steering and not too much lean into corners. Yukon SLE and SLT trim levels ride the best with their tall sidewalls, but the Denali counteracts its tall wheels with magnetically controlled shocks. This setup filters out small bumps for a more luxurious feel and stiffens up a touch in the corners. Given the Yukon size, it's not really an off-roader in any configuration, but for those who find themselves on a dirt road, the optional 4-wheel drive system includes a low range useful for more serious trail duty or for tugging a boat out of the water. Skid plates are optional,